Yo guys, what up? So I'm basically gonna go out and grab a couple of shots here. I'm using the Fimo app. I just downloaded basically the Kodak V500 series, which is an emulation of the Kodak movie cinema stock. So I got a couple of shots this morning with it, and I was very happy with it. It's almost gonna be golden out here, but the weather's really crappy. So I'm gonna see if I can get some really cool shots here. So just me and my phone, and that's it. Just gonna grab a couple of shots, photo style.
I have a shot over there. Grab a quick shot from over here.
So it just rained, and just the water right now just so dirty from all the rain, of all the overflow and runoff. Just looks horrible. Guys, check out this spider. Check out this. I can't even get him in focus. Let's see. Look at that spider. That thing is